This is the electric outboard setup for Sailfish 18. The outboard is Watersnake 7 LBS 12 volt. This is connected by this cable to the lithium battery, which is 12 volt 75 amp power. Between the battery and the outboard there is a two-way switch. This switch between the charger and the motor, the outboard. This is because in the electric outboard, in this specific outboard manufacturer, it's specific mentioned you should not charging and you should disconnect the charger when it's in use. So I add this two-way switch to disconnect the charger when it's in use. The switch can either be charger or motor. It can connect both simultaneously. And the electric battery is charged by solar panel. This is a charger controller, and this is 50 watt solar power. This is 50 watt solar power. Of course, today is very cloudy, so there's nothing here. The solar controller show nothing because it's very cloudy today. And so this motor powers the Sailfish 18 very well. Based on my previous test, when it's full powered, it's about 600 watt, and it can power the Sailfish at about just above 4 knots. And if it's halfway, I think maybe 300 watt, and then it only takes 200 watts or 300 watts to power the Sailfish 18 at 3 knots, and this usually be enough for daily use. So, and this outboard have a reverse gear as well. So I'm running it, so I'm not going to test the reverse gear, but you can turn this to left to make the reverse. It's doing reverse, so just for quick test. Yeah. So let me go back to forward. So yeah, we are testing it on Rutland water. So in summary, I have electric outboard, solar panel, lithium 75 amp lithium battery, and a solar controller, and a two-way switch. Because this setup only used for leaving the jetty or come back to jetty, so most time it's only using 1% of the power. And with 300 watt, this battery should be able to run it for at least I think 2 hours. With full power it's more than 1 hour, and usually power, if you run at 200 watts, it will last about 4 hours. It's far more enough than what I needed. And because this solar panel, because I only sell at weekend, so this solar panel is 50 watt 12 volt is enough to top up the battery. Yeah, I never need to worry about if the battery is enough. And this battery has Bluetooth connection. I can use a mobile phone to check the remaining capacitance. So today when I start, I check it, it's 96%, and this power button which is able to turn off the battery if it's not needed. So for example, when it's 96% capacity remain, I just I stop charging and then manually stop charging using the switch, and then just turn the battery off. And you can see I put an actual this tape to have actual protect for the battery, so in case there's water coming, usually it should be dry. And also for this solar panel, I have a plastic bag, so it does work very well. Yeah. Okay, that's my setup for the electric outboard for the Sailfish 18 sailboat. Yeah, hope it's helpful. Thank you. Bye.